Merry Christmas guys and welcome back to Cocktail with Hadrien. In this video I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite winter cocktail for this festive season. So without further ado, let's get mixing. For our first winter drink I wanted to show you my own version of a hot gin punch using Reverend Hubert winter gin liquor, something I discovered 2-3 weeks ago. It's a fantastic liquor. It's really spicy with lemon oils, orange oil and like dried fruit. It works really well by itself. You can mix it with tonic or you can use it in this recipe that I'm gonna show you right now. This recipe is a twist on the hot gin punch where I'm gonna be using Earl Grey tea, honey, grapefruit juice and Reverend Hubert winter gin liquor. So to make this drink we're gonna need to warm it up. It's a warm drink. And what is great with that is that you can put it in a thermos and keep it with you. Let's say if you have like a great spot to watch the fireworks on the 31st, you just bottle that in your thermos, take it with you and you're gonna have, I promise you, you're gonna have a great time. So, recipe for our Reverend's winter warmer. We're gonna start with 120 ml of Earl Grey tea, 30 ml or to taste of honey. It's really up how you want it. I put 30 ml because I like it not too sweet. We're gonna pour 50 ml of fresh grapefruit juice. And then 50 ml of Reverend Hubert winter gin liquor. And now we're just gonna heat it up to help dissolve the honey and integrate everything together. This should be really quick. You see it's still, I have a very powerful induction plate. It's already bubbling. There we go, just a little boil. It's just to mix the honey with the rest. There we are. And now we're gonna get our favorite pewter. I love my little ceramic pewter. Now we're just gonna pour it nicely in our favorite hot cup. There we are. And we're gonna garnish it with a nice piece of grapefruit that I love to dunk in there. And there you have it guys, the Reverend winter warmer. Trust me on this. Take it with you, go watch the fireworks for the 31st, it's gonna be fantastic. Yes, this is delicious. Cheers! For our second festive drink, I'm gonna show you how to make a really tasty alternative to the simple coupe of Prosecco or Champagne. You're just gonna need some sugar syrup, Sloe Gin and some fizz. Here I've got Prosecco, you can use Champagne, Cremant, whatever is your favorite. But to make this, we're gonna need 10 ml of sugar syrup, 25 ml of Sloe Gin, and then top it up with Prosecco. And then garnish it with a little zest of lemon, express the oils, and dunk it in. And there you have it guys, the Sloe Gin FIzz. I hope you're gonna enjoy this one as much as I do. Citrusy, plummy, little bit of spice, sweetness of the Prosecco. This is really beautiful. Cheers guys. And now guys, for our third festive drink, I'm gonna show you my own version of a Mulled Cider. It's gonna be another hot drink that you can take with you if you take a nice walk, maybe on the 25th, if you have the opportunity to take a walk in the woods or something that's gonna keep you warm the whole day. We're gonna be using Johnnie Walker black whiskey, some cider, honey, orange, lemon and some cinnamon. So to make this delicious hot Mulled Cider, we're gonna start with 50 ml of Johnnie Walker black, about 120 ml of cider, 30 ml of honey, and then we're gonna add our orange and lemons and a cinnamon stick, and we're gonna heat that up. Like for the Reverend's winter warmer, to mix well this honey. and extract the taste of the orange and the lemon and the cinnamon. Same again, just give it a nice quick boil. And now we're gonna pour it in our favorite cup of choice. Make sure you put the garnish in as well, because as you keep drinking, it's gonna keep giving flavors. And for the honey, just try it, and if you need a bit more sweetness, a bit more whiskey, that's up to your taste. And there we are, guys. And there we are, guys. This is the hot mule cider. What I like to do as well at the end is a little bit of nutmeg, because I just love nutmeg in hot drinks and it goes really well with whiskey. So there it is. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, this is another really tasty one. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this very much. And now, guys, for festive drink number 4, a nice twist and Christmassy version of an espresso martini, using once more the Reverend Hubert winter gin liquor. So all you're gonna need is some hot coffee, sugar syrup, Reverend Hubert gin liquor, and some vodka. So we're gonna start with 50 ml of coffee, 20 ml of sugar syrup, 25 ml of Reverend Hubert gin liquor, and then 50 ml of vodka. And now we're gonna add our ice. If you can, just use one single block of ice, otherwise be generous on the ice. And we're gonna add this and give it a really good shake. And now we're gonna choose our favorite coupe or glass of your choice, and we're gonna strain this, fine strain it if you can. And now we can just grate a little nutmeg on top. As you can see, I love nutmeg. Just to bring up some of the spicy flavor of the gin liquor. And there you have it. Reverend's coffee. Cheers, guys. This is fantastic. If you like espresso martinis, guys, and I know a lot of you do, you have to try this. Cheers. And now, guys, last but not least, our 5th festive drink for this year, which are called the Madeira Cobbler. I had the opportunity to try delicious Madeira wine and Madeira rum from Bovie Wines, and I have to say they're really fantastic. I'll put link in the description if you want to get those bottles. So Madeira Cobbler, because I'm using Madeira wine and rum. A cobbler is usually a mix of muddled fruit and syrup and spirits with a lot of crushed ice. It's really nice, long drink, and you can make it the taste you want. So for this one, I'm gonna be using some blueberries. I'm gonna keep some for my garnish. You can be generous with the fruit in a cobbler. I'm gonna put quite a few slices of orange, because I really like that. A few lemons. And now I'm gonna be adding 20 ml of brown sugar syrup. This is a 2:1 sugar to water ratio. I'm gonna put some 30 ml of this delicious sweet Madeira wine, just to add some nuttiness and some like dried fruit tastes, which come with the Madeira and I really love. And then 40 ml of William Hinton 6 years old rum. If you don't know Madeira rum, if you've never tried Madeira rum, you got to. I mean, I've tried William Hinton and those rum are fantastic. And now that we've got everything in our glass, we're gonna give it a gentle muddle to extract the oils of the fruits and squeeze a little bit of blueberries to integrate everything together. As you can see, there we are, everything is coming together. And we're gonna add our ice. If you excuse me if some of it doesn't end up in the glass. And now we're gonna give it a good churn cool the drink and dilute it and mix all the ingredients. You can go with your spoon and go at the bottom to get all the fruits. Gonna put a little bit more ice in there. There we are. For the ice, you can just, if you buy some ice at the shop or if you make some small cubes at home, take a clean kitchen towel and you can smack it with like a pan or something to break the ice. Otherwise, you can use a Lewis bag and a nice wooden mallet like this. I'll put the link in the description. And now that we've got our drink ready, just gonna give it a little taste. Nice, pretty tasty. And now we're gonna garnish it with the fruit we had kept on the side. See, little lemons, a bit of oranges, some of the blueberries on top. And it's Christmas, like my friend Tony liked to remind me, so we're gonna dust a little bit of snow on top of there. Here we go. And there it is, guys, the Madeira Cobbler. Cheers. This is fantastic. I really encourage you to try this. This is really, really good. Cheers! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you got inspired by those winter cocktail recipe. The ingredient and the recipe would be down below in the description. Since 2020 has been such a hard year, I think we all deserve to have great drinks at home. So if you do any of those, please tag me on Instagram at Cocktail with Hadrien and like and subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. Cheers!